Okay, so what we're going to do in this demo, we're just going to program just a simple part. As you see, it's just a simple prismatic part. And we're just going to go through the steps to basically program this. Now,
we're going to talk about getting started guide and all that also.
Yes, we can do that now.
Okay,
Let's go up here to the RhinoCAM main menu. If you want to go through our online getting started guides, just pick the learning option. Okay, and this dialog has help related resources for each module. Okay, so we're in the mill module, so you have a quick start guide that you can run. Okay, and you can also run the online help at the same time. We're going to be talking about this in the support segment, segment 3. But if you want to get in to actually see the quick start guide, just select that and it will load. Let's go ahead and find that. Let's get that out of the way. And it'll load up the quick start guide. And this is for the mill module. There's a quick start guide for each of the different modules. And in here, we'll just go through it real quick to show you some of it. It just goes through programming a very simple part. Okay, let's go up. You'll be programming this simple gasket just using 2D machining operations, profiling basically. And you can run through that as well. And the actual files for this, let me just go ahead and show you where they're at. Let's minimize that. If you want to know, we go ahead and pick open and we can close that for now. And let's go down here to, this was one of the reasons why I suggested that you install the product in the default location initially, because we're going to go into program data folder. We're going to go to MecSoft, RhinoCAM 2024 for Rhino 8, and we're going to go quick start. So in this folder right here is all of the the quick start files that you use to work with the PDF quick start guides. And the guides are also in this folder also. We just looked at the mill quick start guide. There's other guides in here. So the guides will refer you to load these parts. So down here you have the actual, the start part and the completed version, okay? Let's go ahead and close that for now. Again, just to recap, if you want to go to get to the access to the quick start guides, go to the main menu, pick learning, and you have access to those guides right here. Also, I wanted to mention that we'll be talking about this a little bit in segment 3. There's video versions of these quick start guides on our YouTube channel. And when I go through the online help, I'll show you how